Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number Artificial 9, and today's topic is the understanding of computer vision CV. And this computer vision is also under the domain of artificial intelligence, and where your digital image is created in the form of data. It is stored, and with camera your all digital image is recognized as an object. So what is happening here in this computer vision, that nowadays lot of computer artificial intelligence based camera is fixed everywhere, at the airport, in the hotels, and even in our houses. The artificial based, this branch of technology of artificial intelligence, that is CV, computer vision, is playing very important role. And I will give my example first. Some 6 months ago, I went to India for my medical checkup. Routinely I had to go, so I used to go. And I went via Istanbul, that is from Abuja, Turkish here, Abuja to Istanbul, Istanbul to Delhi. So there, because of some delay, one flight was missed. So I was given hotel. I went to hotel. I went inside room, and then after that, I came out with that computer card with chip, with that is computer vision, digital imaging was there. But I was not knowing. I was ignorant. And I wanted to take breakfast. So I came out with that card, and I touched as usual. Nowadays this touching technology everywhere. Finger touch, thumb touch, eye touch, touching. So I just touched that, my card, and this lift, elevator refused to open the door. I tried several times. Then I was very much surprised. Then I asked somebody there who was sitting, then why it is not opening? He said, sir, there is one small pin. You have to be in front of there so that you are recognized that you are the same one, same person who is holding this card. Only then you touch that it will be open. So now it has gone up to that extent. Also, it happened to me. I went to New York with my daughter. I was doing some purchasing. So in that market, there was one robot, humanoid. It was following me. Wherever I was going, it was following behind me. Then I asked my daughter, what happened? Because I am that much educated to understand that somebody is following me. Some humanoid or robotic. Wherever I am going, it is following. You know what my daughter told? That Papa, since your object outlook is Asian color, maybe it is programmed with the help of your digital imaging, that is computer vision, that any brown, any yellow or any black color is coming, please do very strict screening of security. That is called cyber security. Cyber security is nothing but data manipulation and data stealing. Hackers, what they are doing. So the world is very, very advanced. World is not Maiduguri. World is not Borno state. But there is if and but. There is always chance of improvement, provided we change our attitude. We have to change our attitude. We have to develop the skill in our coming generation. so that we can swim together on the same platform. Otherwise, we will sink. So this is what about your this digital imaging recognition, and such type of locks are available where your digital imaging will be recognized with the help of camera and under the supervision of computer vision and camera, you will be recognized. So such type of locks are there now, that no need to do lot of key and no, just put and go. So if any other person is coming and trying to open it, immediately it will recognize the object, because that one is coded there. There is coding. That's why coding and developing is also very important area. That camera, that lock is a computer with computer vision, with digital imaging of recognition, and it will not open unless you come, and the moment it will see your image, immediately it is all programmed, it will be open. So this is very, very important branch of artificial intelligence, that is computer vision. And this computer vision is used nowadays for multi-purpose, for security purpose, even for CC camera. All these, artificial base, wherever they are making decision, it is, I have already told you in the beginning, you should not mix two things. One is automation. Everything is automatic. Other one is artificial base. So what is difference in automation and artificial base of recognizing the object or image of the object? That is, if there is decision making. Decision making means if anybody is coming, not Professor Khan to open my door, there is a decision making because AI is there. AI is commanding to that computer vision that no, is a wrong person. Automation means no need of decision. So wherever decision making is there, it is artificial intelligence. And that decision making is given by training. And what is training? By feeding and training the data. That is data. Everything is data. That's why data scientists are highest paid. It is all the work done by data scientists to purify the data in the same way I have already told you. Like gold. Gold has no value once it is in mine. Gold has value when very good, beautiful bangle, beautiful jewelry is placed in the showroom in Dubai. That is golden souk. Many of Nigerians may be knowing. In billions they are paying. But the same gold, if it is not mined, it is not extracted, it is not purified, it is not beautified, no value. So data scientists, they are doing the same thing. Lot of trillions of data is there. So from that, useless, good, bad, so many type of. So they are going on cleaning, mining, extracting, purifying data, so that now it has lot of value. That is what in computer vision we are doing, and it has lot of uses now in India. Because of such type of recognition of the image, digital image in the form of data, lot of kidnappers, lot of robbers, lot of criminals are targeted and are captured. So today, if suppose in any country, any crime where there is remote sensing, remote videography, all is open, it's not possible unless government is involved, military is involved, and because of corrupt practices, things may happen. Why in Dubai Why in Saudi Arabia? Almost, I cannot say 100%, sometimes exception is there. Crime rate is zero because every object, every human, every body is under cover of digital imaging, digital remote sensing, and with all artificial intelligence technologies. And I'm very much sure, I'm very much confident, it's not very far. Very soon, all the countries, they will become honest, not that because they are honest, they will be forced to become honest because of technology. Technology will not allow to escape, even if they want to escape. Even today, with this your impression and this computer vision imaging, digital imaging, you cannot escape. Thumb impression, finger impression, eye impression. So that is what I have told you, and let me show you the image. So this is humanoid, you may call it robot, and it is having that is computer vision, digital imaging system, all are programmed, the coding is done, it is all data is there, everything is in the form of data, so it will follow you. If you are not falling within his range, whatever data is processed and what type of digital image object is created there, it will follow. So same type was following me when I was there in New York in one of the market, and he was correct because I was told that they are programmed like that, that if they have any suspicion on the basis of color or any object or any type of dress, any type of perfume also. So nowadays people are very careful in putting the ether, that is essential oil, because some particular terrorist group, they use very particular type of perfume, and that perfume smell, they have sensitive, I can say, sniffing power. On the basis of data, they will immediately catch you that he belongs to that group. So all these things became very, very, we can say, accurate on the basis of artificial intelligence branches. This is a smart lock. We can say this is artificial intelligence lock, and it is programmed by digital data that is in the form of image recognition, and it will be processed, and that what I became victim when I was just using the car and I was not in front, so it failed to recognize me, and that's why it was not open. So that is the very big role of computer vision, and is playing very important role. So computer vision, I call it, is another miracle of artificial intelligence domain or branch. And here I have given in the form of summary because I love to write and I love to give the note in the form of handwriting, not electronic writing. Number one, computer vision, CV. Computer vision is under domain of artificial intelligence, that is AI, and it is a field of artificial intelligence that trains computers to interpret and understand the visual world. That is very important, that it will understand all the visual world, just like our eye visionary vision. So vision is created with camera and videography. What? By using digital images in the form of data. So your image is created in the form of data. That is called, and data I have already told you means it is in the form of digital, digit 2. That is 0, 1. Or head and tail. That is called digital. And the other one is called quantum, where there is dancing, you cannot fix the position head or tail. That is in the form of photon. And that is another technology. It has started in the year 2025. In my lecture of 2025, what are the new things are coming, I have already mentioned this about digital technology in the year 2025. So that is digital images from cameras and videos, and by the use of deep learning model. I have told you a lot about deep learning model. Deep learning means where neural networking, just like human brain, mimicry is done, and it will imitate and copy all type of human behavior. That is called deep learning. And here, the real data scientists, they are doing, that's why they are highly paid in millions of dollars, because they are mainly involved in deep learning and neural networking creation like human brain. And that is deep learning model. Number two, machine can accurately identify and classify objects and then react with machine or computer. That's why I became the victim myself. When I went to one shop and I was in hotel, so I became victim because it was not recognizing unless I come in front. I did to identify and to see. For example, if you have artificial intelligence powered lock, it is under the power of artificial intelligence. That is called artificial intelligence powered lock, or nowadays they also call it AI lock or smart lock. All these terms are floating on the street, but it is of course artificial intelligence powered lock, and with camera can identify you, not others. That's all. That type of coding and data is given with the help of camera and video, then it will only identify you. Others are filtered off. So whoever will try cannot, because there is no such type of data to recognize thousands and millions. It's only for you. Your recognition is there as an object. Others, and door will be open only for you. It is thanks to computer vision. It is because of computer vision. Please go on sharing, and sharing. My request is always go on sharing to thousands and thousands of school students, young generation, those who want to understand the basic learning, and unless they understand and they master by their hard work, by their practice, they can not become builder of AI like, that is data scientist, data engineer. Rather, they will become only user. And I have already told you, I don't want that you are only user. No. Just to have one software and you are using, you are thinking that you are everything. No. You are only user. You must become data scientist, data engineer, and also data analyst. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.